So today's video, we're just following up on a patient that we've been seeing for 11 years. He does maintenance care. He gets it. He gets the big idea. And the big idea, what I mean by that is, think of it this way. I guess the easiest way to think of this is your teeth. Okay, you brush your teeth every day, twice a day, I hope. You floss your teeth every day, I hope. And you go to the dentist twice a year, I hope. To keep your maintain your clean teeth and maintain healthy teeth and gums, right? And our teeth just chew food. That's it. Our teeth are also replaceable. So God forbid you damage your teeth, you can, while they're expensive and uncomfortable, you can have root canals and fillings and implants. And most of you watching this probably have gone through one of those procedures, if not two or three of them. So that being said, and you're taking care of your teeth every day, multiple times a day. And your teeth, again, are replaceable. Your spine is not, okay? Your spine is not replaceable, and your spine controls more than controlling chewing of food, right? Your spine controls everything in your body. It's your nervous system. It's the extension of your brain into your spinal cord, and your brain and spinal cord communicate with the rest of your body through the network of spinal nerves that emanate or exit from in between the foramina, the little holes on each side. So all of those nerves that run from here all the way down, we even have cranial nerves at the top of the brain stem there. So these are all crucial in how we function and how we express life. So he gets the big idea, meaning he gets the importance of wellness care, basically. Now, it hasn't always been wellness care with you. So I think when you first came in, you had back pain and knee problems?
Yeah. It was on the neck and the lower back. The neck, partially because I was careless working out, and also careless, as I'm sure you'll bring up later, about sleeping on my stomach. Having my neck like this for 8 hours.
Yeah, so when we took an x-ray of him 11 years ago, give or take, you could see all the vertebrae were shifted to one side. And I remember after that, I asked him, do you sleep on your stomach? And the answer was yes, of course. And I mean, it can come from other things. It can come from like you having your head turned and you car accident while your head is turned to the side. Or, I mean, it can come from other things, or like working and you're always turning to one side. But we saw the rotation in his spine and a little bit of scoliosis.
Yeah.
And we've worked on that over the years, and you're probably due for a re-x-ray at some point, actually.
Yeah, I'm thinking like maybe this summer.
Yeah. It's been a long time. And then, and he had numbness and tingling down the arm as well, right?
Yeah.
So that was original. Then his back, we found out he had flat feet, and we got him a pair of orthotics.
Yeah.
And he used to intern here as well. And then he wore through those. You wore through those orthotics like in months, right? I've never seen that happen that quickly. Actually, we got him another pair, and then it got better. That wear slowed down, and it took about a year or two, maybe.
Yeah.
And now you've had these pair of orthotics for a couple years now, right? Yeah. So it's it's actually, I think, your third version. Most people only go through two different changes in the orthotics. For him, it was three, I think, and you were really flat-footed. And now you don't wear through your sneakers. And then last year, we did a video with him on TMJ. So how's your DMJ?
It's much better. My jaw is a lot more relaxed. When I wake up, I don't feel the soreness on my teeth, from grinding. So it's a lot better. It's a lot more symmetrical.
Okay. So he had bruxism, and he had clicking jaw, right? Wasn't it popping and clicking? So we gave him a series of exercises, and we did another video where I think there were about 20 different exercises in there. Do you still do them or do you not do them anymore?
I do them once a week. I don't feel like I need to do them very often now. My jaw feels a lot stronger.
Okay.
It definitely looks a lot stronger, a lot more sharper. So
Okay.
I think I've reached a more maintenance phase.
Okay, and he also had like his jaw tilted to one side as well. And does it click when you open and close or lock anymore?
No, not at all.
Okay, great. So TMJ resolved. So we're just following up with him. I'm just kind of doing this video to kind of give you a history of the importance of chiropractic and how some of these conditions take time. But if you pay attention to your body, you will age gracefully, much more gracefully than some people I know and see in this office. So I'm going through this as I turn the big 5-0 next month. So we're going to go ahead and start you with some heat, okay?
Let's do it.
All right. Lower back and upper back?
Yes, please.
All right, so this heat is a little different. It's moist heat. You see me pulling heating pads out of this hydroculator. This hydroculator, it's basically a tin can with coils on the bottom that heat water, and they're way overpriced. I do not recommend buying one of these. I just think they're, unless you can find one at like a, I don't know, on eBay for real cheap, but these are like, just this small one here is like close to $400. And the pads are cheap. The pads are like 15 bucks. You can buy them online. You just soak them before you put them in the hot water. You soak them overnight and stick them in the hot water. And there are hydroculators that hold 2-packs, 4-packs. You probably don't need, if you're going to have it for home, more than a 2-pack. But again, be prepared to spend several $100s on a moist heating pad. I don't know of any other way to do moist heat this effective. You've had this heat and you've had moist heat, I assume, right?
Yeah.
Do you notice a difference?
Uh,
And if not, that's fine. Do you notice the difference between this heat and just like dry heat that you use at home?
honestly, Doug, not really.
You don't?
No.
Okay. Well, there you have it, folks. I like the moist heat better. Dan the man. Okay, we're going to let Dan relax here for 10 minutes with heat, and then we'll show you how we adjust them. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.